Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to talk about something very useful for this winter, and that is all from the brand Ikai. And today I am going to talk about Ikai Get Lit Illuminator Strobe Moisturizer. The price of this strobe moisturizer is rupees 675, and this moisturizer you can easily get from Ikai personal website or from Amazon. It comes up in a very beautiful pink kind of color packaging, which is very pretty, cute and girly. It comes up with a pump kind of packaging. I have never seen any tube kind of packaging that also have pump. With the pump kind of packaging you can always control the amount of product that you need for your single use. This tube kind of packaging is a travel friendly and you can keep it anywhere in your makeup stash or in your purse. As you can see, the packaging is really cute. The curve kind of tube packaging along with the pump make this packaging really attractive and girly. So yes, this is all about the packaging and the price point of this moisturizer. Now let me first talk about what is strobe moisturizer. So if you are very new to this thing, strobe moisturizer, then let me tell you, strobe moisturizer is an illuminating moisturizer that you can use it along with your base to add a healthy glow in your base. You can use this strobe moisturizer in different ways. You can use it as your moisturizer just to moisturize your face and to give a very natural kind of glow to your skin. You can mix this strobe moisturizer with your regular foundation to make your foundation little bit illuminating one, so that whenever you do that base, your face will look glowy. Or you can use this strobe moisturizer on the high point of your face, like on the cheekbone area, on the bridge of your nose, little bit on the forehead, on the chin, and also on the cupid bone. Strobe moisturizer will give you a perfect natural glow during winter. In winter we always feel like our face look very dull or dry. No matter how much we do our best makeup properly, we end up looking dry. So all you can do, you can add little bit of strobe moisturizer with your base to give a very natural kind of glow in your daily makeup. Ikai strobe moisturizer is one of the most affordable and quality wise and awesome strobe moisturizer that I feel to recommend you all. This strobe moisturizer gives an instant glow to my face. If you watch my demo video, you can see my face was having very dry kind of base, but after using this strobe moisturizer, it add an instant glow on the high point of my face, like you can see. Although this is a strobe moisturizer, but this is a non-oily strobe moisturizer. As you can see, I have applied this strobe moisturizer on my high points of cheekbone on the top of powder base, but still it is not looking greasy or oily. It gives a very natural kind of glowy finish. Definitely this strobe moisturizer is non-oily and it gives a very matte kind of finish. Can you just see? It is matte, but it's giving me a very natural kind of glow on my skin. You know, nowadays glass skin is very famous, so you can definitely achieve that glass skin using this strobe moisturizer.
My fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you.
show you a little bit of swatch of the strobe moisturizer. Okay, now as you can see, the texture of the strobe moisturizer is not very runny, neither too thick. It has a very balanced kind of consistency and it look like a white kind of moisturizer like the usual one. But now let me take one drop of it and let me just blend it. Gives a very rosy pink kind of glow. I don't know how much my camera is picking up, but if you applied it on your skin or on your high point of your face, then definitely you can feel that this strobe moisturizer gives a very healthy rosy pinky kind of glow on your face, which look damn sexy on your face. This strobe moisturizer have all the goodness of vitamins and green tea that makes our skin bright, and it remove all the dullness from our skin. So over in all, definitely I would love to recommend you all to try out this Ikai Glow Lit Illuminator Strobe Moisturizer, which gives a hint of pinky glow with some unique brightness on your face. It is just a perfect illuminator which look awesome in this dry dull winter. If you want to add some natural glow in your regular makeup, or if you want to achieve glass skin, then do try out the strobe moisturizer, all from Ikai. So yes, that's all for today. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.